Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's look at things inside the kitchen. This is a fork. We can eat food with a fork. This is a spoon. We can eat soup or rice with a spoon. This is a knife. We can cut food with a knife. This is a plate. We put food on the plate. This is a cup. We drink water or tea from a cup. This is a pan. We cook food in a pan. This is a pot. We can boil water in the pot. This is a fridge. We keep food cold in the fridge. This is an oven. We bake food in the oven. This is a chair. We sit on the chair in the kitchen. This is a table. We eat food on the table. Good job. Now you know some things in the kitchen. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.